stormy day here at Riverbank Custom today. Look like a storm. Looks like it's coming a cloud. We say. All us people, you know, us southern slang folks, we say it's coming a cloud. Look over there across the neighbor's house. It's coming a pretty dark cloud over there. We're getting these cars ready to go to Volks Jam next Saturday. We'll go down Friday night for a big cruise in. Blue 67 just left. Steven finished up the interior in it. It went home. Carmen, we'll be back on it. We put transmission mounts in stripes, got it back together. Now we're working on 67 blue. Belongs to John Boy.
You want to line them up?
Yeah, I'll run. You can't get off the start line. Yeah, you can't get off the start line.
That sucker runs good, man. I don't think those cars run that good since I've owned them.
I'd like to say a huge thank you to everyone who come by the booth this weekend at Volks Jam and supported us. We met a lot of great people. Thank you all so much to everybody involved, for all the crew, for all the help. Kenny James for cooking dinner. Thank you again so much. If you like this type of content, you like what we're doing, please like, share, and subscribe. Now let's dive into the show. They went that way. I don't know where they went. Let's go. All right, look like we're rolling out. Go do a little Volkswagen cruising. Got Michael and Helen behind us. Got Richard Hill behind us there. Quite a few Volkswagens going out to eat tonight.
Hey, who did that interior? Who did that interior?
I did. Which is pretty much all the cars on the road. I just get the look at it. Bill, I'm sorry, Jackson Bill.
Kim.
Thank
you, man.
So I'm gonna take a minute and just show you something that's real dear to my heart. This is one of the last buggies I built. For those of you that know me or know Uncle Jesse, this is Fugly. We built this buggy in the dirt at my first shop, at my Vicky's first house. Me and him built this together. Daddy bent all the bars for us, and we welded it all together. Did a lot of different things to it. Built the trailer arms for it. Built the front end for it. I saw this buggy yesterday, and this was the highlight of my weekend. This is actually Daddy's old trailer. Super cool. Glad to see it. We'll see what happens with it. Now, we may still end up with it. I know the guy's buying it, and we may still end up with it.